Hey y'all, welcome back to the cabin. And today we are headed to the vet to see a miracle. Back in January, we actually took Lily to a local dairy farm here to have her bred. Well, now we want to verify that she is. Now, I feel sure that she is, but we're going to take her to the vet, and Dr. Mars is going to check her, and I'm hoping we even get to use the ultrasound, and maybe we'll see something special. So I wanted to bring y'all along for the ride, and we might get to see that miracle.
Wanna open the back door? Yeah.
You got a baby? Okay.
You got a baby? There you go. Get her going in the right direction.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, good stuff right there.
That's it.
Oh.
That's the baby. See it?
Oh my goodness. Okay, so this, I'll know which one it is.
It
Oh,
looks like ribs.
look! It does. Almost a little spine.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Turn it back on.
See it kind of moving right there?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
See, I got my hand still.
Oh my word, look. Oh, this is wonderful. I'm trying to like
Not according to
focus on. Do what, honey?
Not according to Lily.
Look at that. Well, I hope you enjoyed the trip to the vet today. We wanted to verify that Lily was in calf, and we indeed found out that she was. And I want to thank Dr. Mars, his assistant Joseph, and his entire staff at Northside Animal Clinic in Philadelphia, Mississippi. Dr. Mars knows that our animals are like family, and he treats them as such. And he gave us a glimpse into the miracle of life with his ultrasound today when we got to see that little calf inside of Lily. But I want to remind you of another miracle. Don't ever forget that your Heavenly Father loves you. And we'll see you on the next video. God bless.